Welcome to our channel. Discover how to stop buffering and speed up your internet with these simple steps. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into practical steps to cut buffering and boost your internet speed step by step. First, start by identifying the source of your slow internet. Buffering often happens due to a weak Wi-Fi signal or network congestion. Begin by rebooting your modem and router. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back and this refreshes your connection and can solve common speed issues. Next, check your router placement. Place your router in a central open location away from walls and metal objects. These can block signals and cause buffering. For larger homes, consider using Wi-Fi extenders or mesh networks to cover dead zones. Thirdly, limit the number of devices connected to your network. Excess devices can slow down your speed. Disconnect devices not in use or prioritize bandwidth for your most important ones. Using quality of service settings on your router. Update your router firmware regularly. Manufacturers release updates that improve stability and speed, so check the admin panel for updates and install them. Lastly, consider upgrading your internet plan. If your current plan doesn't support your usage needs, switching to a higher speed package may be necessary. Also, upgrading to a newer router can greatly improve your Wi-Fi speeds. Remember to close unnecessary apps or browser tabs when streaming or gaming to free up bandwidth. You can also try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable wired connection. If buffering persists, check for background apps consuming bandwidth or scan for malware that can slow your device. By following these steps methodically, you can experience smoother streaming, faster downloads, and less frustration with slow internet speeds. Don't forget to test your internet speed regularly using online speed tests to monitor improvements and see if further action is needed. We hope these tips help you enjoy a faster and more reliable internet experience.